In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change the date format in Zoho Sheet so your spreadsheet looks clean, consistent and easy to read. Start by selecting the cells or the entire column that contains the dates you want to update. Once your selection is ready, go to the Format menu at the top and choose Cell. If you prefer working with side panels, you can also open the Cell Formatting sidebar. Both options take you to the same settings. Inside the Cell Formatting panel, look for the Cell Format section and click on Date. Here, Zoho Sheet displays a variety of predefined date formats. You can choose a layout like day, month, year, or month, day, year, depending on your regional preference. Simply click the format you want and it will apply instantly to your selected cells. Once the new format is applied, take a quick look at your sheet to make sure everything appears the way you expect. This quick check helps ensure your data stays clean and consistent. And that's it. Changing the date format in Zoho Sheet is a fast and flexible way to keep your spreadsheet professional and easy to interpret. Thanks for watching and be sure to explore more of our Zoho Sheet guides.